सो जो आपको अंडरस्टैंड करने हैं, राइट? Students in class 10th, while doing the coordinate geometry, have you done two formulas, distance formula and section formula? Do you remember that?
Yes, sir.
Anji, who will tell me the distance formula? तो बच्चे कोई भी आ जाओ, बताओ जरा. What is distance formula?
Under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square.
Very good. Please sit down. Section formula will tell me. वो जो सबसे लास्ट में ना मेरे राइट साइड वाली तरफ बैठे हैं, जो आ जाओ स्टूडेंट्स. सिद्धार्थ जी बैठे हैं जो सबसे लास्ट में. हाँ, आप आ जाओ बेटा. सेक्शन फार्मूला बताइए जरा. व्हाट इज सेक्शन फार्मूला? आ जाओ आगे, आ जाओ, आवाज नहीं आ रही वहां से.
m1 x2 plus y m2 x1 over m plus m1 plus m2 y x m1 y2 plus m1 y1 m2 y y1 over x plus x m1 plus m.
ज्यादा दलदल होगी काका. दसो.
m1 x2 plus m2 x1 over m1 plus m2.
Very good.
m1 y2 plus m2 y1 over m1 plus m.
ठीक है. This is called the internal. ठीक है. Please sit down. Now. Right. So now, very important concept here in the straight line is slope of a line. Student, अभी आपने 10th क्लास में चैप्टर किया था, 9th क्लास में स्ट्रेट लाइन इन टू वेरिएबल्स, राइट? लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स. नाउ जब हमने उसका ग्राफ प्लॉट किया था तो वी हैव सीन कि जब आप एक लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल, फॉर एग्जांपल ax प्लस by प्लस c, इसका जब ग्राफ प्लॉट करते हैं तो इट कम्स ए स्ट्रेट लाइन, राइट? स्ट्रेट लाइन आती थी बच्चे, राइट? नाउ you have to form this equation. You have to form this equation. To form this equation, we need to understand some concepts. First and the foremost concept is slope of a line. Now, what do you mean by slope of a line? Right? Can anybody tell me? Physics में आप लोगों ने किया होगा थोड़ा सा, जब mathematical tools किए होंगे. Anybody tell me what is the slope of a line? Right. देखिए अगर नहीं आता बच्चों. Let's say this is a Cartesian coordinate plane. X-axis, origin, and y-axis. Is this clear? When you draw any line on this graph, this is a straight line. We don't know this, the equation of this line. Let's say this line makes an angle of theta with a positive direction of x-axis. Mark the language. The angle made by the straight line with positive direction of x-axis is theta. Then slope of a line. Slope of a line, it is represented by small m. Slope of a line is tangent of the theta, right? Let's say if the angle is 45 degree, what will be the slope? What will be the slope of the line? 1, because tan 45 and tan 45 is 1. So this is the slope of a line. Now I'll take one more example. This is a straight line. It makes an angle of 30 degree, right? Now what will be the slope of this line? Yes? What will be the slope of this line, students? नोटबुक पे वर्क करोगे तब होगा, अदरवाइज नहीं होगा. What will be the slope of this line? आप नहीं कर रहे बेटा, जो आप सबसे एक्सट्रीम लाइन पे बैठे हो, आगे बिल्कुल हाथ पे हाथ धर के बैठे हो। What is the slope? Now I have told you the tangent of the angle made by the line with positive direction of x-axis. To find out the slope, this is the angle which line makes with the positive direction. This is the theta. What will be the value of this theta? What is the value of theta? Students, this total is 180. This is 30, so this will be. So what will be the slope? How to find out the value of tan 150? Yes. And 180? 180 minus 30. Right, very good. Now what it becomes? ये सारा मैंने कराया आप लोगों को. Minus tan 30. Very good. So what is the slope? Minus 1 by root 3. Yes. So this is the slope of the line, and this theta is known as, what is the name given to theta? Inclination. Right? The inclination of the line, that is known as theta. Now this is the one way to find out the slope of a line. There is another way to find out the slope of the line. What is that? If suppose this is a line and this line passes through 2 points. Let's say this point is x2 comma y2 and this point is, right? Is this clear? Now complete the Cartesian coordinate plane. Let's say this angle is theta. This angle is theta, students. Now you have to find tan theta. What you will do? Drop the perpendicular from this, perpendicular from this. Right? So you have got this right angle triangle. Is it clear or not? Diagram clear है बच्चों? Yes. Now if this angle is theta, so what will be this angle? What will be this angle? Theta. Now this is a right angle triangle. If we have to find tan theta in this, what it becomes? Perpendicular upon base. Yes? Yes, sir. What will be the length of this perpendicular? Now this point is x2 y2. तो ये coordinate क्या हो गया students? And this coordinate is, तो ये वाली जो length हो जाएगी, that won't be y2 minus y1. Yes or no? Yes. Now please tell me what is the length of AC? x2 minus x1. So this tan theta will become equal to y2 minus y1 over. So this is the formula for slope of the line. Note कर लो बच्चों. The slope of a line passing through 2 points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Right? Is it clear? Is this clear, बच्चों? Yes, sir. So please note down the formula for the slope of a line. Next formula is, let's say we have two lines, two straight lines. That's the slope of this line is m1 and slope of this line is m2, right? If we have to find the angle between these two lines, if we have to find the angle between these two lines, slope of the both the lines is given, then the angle between these two lines is given by this formula. Tan theta is equal to mod m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. Student, why we have put mod here, right? What is the meaning of mod? Ki tan theta can be positive and negative. Yes,
Yes.
right? So why the angle between the line can be this theta also and this also? This is, yes. So to cover up both the angles, we take it mod. And when you solve this, you open this mod and put this tan theta equal to plus minus, right? Is it clear? Is this clear or not? Now we'll do a question on this. Now it is given that the angle between two lines is pi by 4 and the slope of one line is 1 by 2. Find the slope of the other line. Will you people try it? Will you try it?
Yes, sir.
Please do this, students. हाँ जी, हो गया स्टूडेंट्स?
Plus minus.
यस स्टूडेंट्स, देखिए आपको थीटा की वैल्यू गिवन है, m1 गिवन है, m2 फाइंड आउट करना है.
Anyone? Okay, sir. Full plus minus 3 ना.
यस स्टूडेंट हुआ. हाँ जी, आ जाओ आगे, आ जाओ, बताओ.
Plus minus 3 ना.
Pardon?
Plus minus 3.
Plus minus 3. Please sit down. Let me check. Now, students, theta is pi by 4 equal to mod m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m2 m1, right? This is 1. इसको plus minus 1 कर लेते हैं. And bracket open की 2 m2 minus 1 upon 2. Is this clear? यहाँ तक कोई डाउट बच्चों? Now इसको further solve करते हैं जी. So what we are left with plus minus 1 equal to 2 m2 minus 1 over 2 plus m2. एक बार प्लस ले लेते हैं, एक बार माइनस. जब आपने प्लस लिया तो दिस बिकम्स 2 plus m2 equal to 2 m2 minus 1, right? m2 को उधर ले गए, 2 plus 1 equal to 2 m2 minus m2. So m2 equal to 3. One value is 3. Another value when you take minus 1. So this become minus 2 minus m2 equal to, right? Take m2 on that side. 3 m2 is equal to minus 1. So m2 will be equal to minus 1 by 3. So these are the two values, students. One is 3, another is minus 1 by 3. Plus minus 3 नहीं आएगा बेटा. Understood? Any doubt बेटा? You can note down the question. Anything not clear, please ask. Students, to remove the mod, we have taken it plus minus 1. One case you have taken plus 1. Another case you have taken minus 1. When you taken plus 1, 2 plus m2 will be positive. Then we solve it. Second case, both the terms will be negative. Understood? Any doubt, please tell me. Right? Shall we move to the next question? Now, students, we have two conditions. Conditions for parallel line, right? When two lines are parallel, right? Their slopes are, let's say, m1 and m2. The condition is the slopes are equal. The slopes are equal. Second is condition for perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines. The condition for perpendicular line is m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. Please note down these two conditions. Do you want me to solve how these conditions come? देखिए मैं आपको बता देता हूँ बच्चे. आपने कार्टेशियन प्लेन लिया. Let's say these two lines are parallel, right? What is the angle made by this line? Theta. This is also parallel line, so angle will also be theta in this case. So if thetas are there equal, then their slope will be equal. If the lines are perpendicular, let's say one line is this, its angle is theta. Another line is perpendicular to this line. Now this angle is 90. So what will be this angle, students? 90 plus theta. So when you will solve it, it will become equal to minus 1 upon m1. right? Is this clear? Is this clear? So the condition is m1 into m2 is equal to -1, right? Another thing, students, let's say this is a straight line AB. Let's say this point is C. Now, slope of AB will be equal to slope of AC and also the slope of whichever part you take, slope will always be equal. Now, if ABC are collinear, then the slope of AB will be equal to slope of BC equal to slope of AC. Is it clear? क्योंकि लाइन तो बच्चे एक ही है ना, आप कोई भी दो पॉइंट्स ले लो उस लाइन पे, that is the same line, so slope will always be equal. Is it clear? Is this clear? Now we have a question on this. If we have 3 points, let's say P is H comma K, we have Q x1 comma x2, x1 comma y1, and R is x2 comma y2, right? It is given, then the lines are these points are collinear. What is the meaning of collinear? They lie on the same straight line. So we have to prove h minus x1 into y2 minus y1 equal to k minus y1 into x2 minus x1. We have to prove this, right? So how we'll prove it? No talking, beta, no talking. Second bench and first bench students, just find the slope of PQ and slope of QR. Equate the slope of PQ equal to slope of QR, right? So now what is the slope of PQ? Student, tell me what is the slope of PQ? इन दोनों पॉइंट्स का स्लोप. हाँ जी, ये x2 y2 हो जाएगा इस केस में, y2 minus y1. Is it clear? Upon x2 minus x1 equal to QR का स्लोप फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं, y2 minus y1 upon. Is this clear? Any doubt in this? दोनों को क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, you will get the answer. Yes or no? Please finish this question. Very important question. Please note down. हाँ जी, डन. स्टूडेंट हो गया? Now try to understand some concepts now, right? So we'll understand the different forms of equation of line, right? Different forms of equations of straight line, right? And their meaning. Why? सबसे पहले कुछ understand करते हैं चीजें बच्चों. let's say we have a Cartesian coordinate plane, right? Let's say this is the line. Is it clear? The point where this lines cut at x-axis. The point where the line cut at x-axis is known as x-intercept, right? It is known as x-intercept. The point where line cuts at the y-axis is known as y-intercept, right? At x-intercept, the y coordinate is 0. At intercept, x coordinate is 0. Is it clear? बच्चे आप लोग नोट क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो? सबसे लास्ट में जो बैठे हैं स्टूडेंट्स, I can see none of you are noting down. Do you know everything? If you have any doubt, better please ask the question, because this is one of the very important topics. जैसे trigonometry दी ना, बहुत यूज आने वाली आगे. Same is this topic, right? So have you understood what is x-intercept and y-intercept? Now we have understood the line equation of line is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, right? ये standard equation होती है students. Now we'll understand some more equations, right? First equation is that is known as slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. To find out the equation of a straight line, we require minimum two things, right? The two things can be different. For example, I have written here slope intercept. What we should know the slope of the line, and here intercept means y-intercept. Here when we say intercept, so this means y-intercept, right? Here the line की जो equation है, that is y is equal to mx plus c, where m is slope and c is y-intercept. C is y-intercept. Is it clear? Let's say line cuts the y-axis at 0, 1. Then what is the value of c? If the line cuts the y-axis at 0, 1, what will be the value of c? बेटा 1 हो जाएगा ना ये जो. This is the y coordinate, y-intercept. Yes or no? Then in this case c will be 1. Is it clear? Any doubt? Second type of equation is, second form is slope point form. Slope point form, right? One of the very important forms. So, first was also equally important, but this is also very important. Now here we should know the slope of the line and one point through which line is passing. Is this clear? But we should know slope of the line and the point through which line is passing. Let's say slope is m and the point through which line is passing is x1, y1. Then the equation of straight line is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, right? Right? We'll take an example. Let's say m is 1 and the point is minus 2, 3. If we have to find the equation of this line, which is passing through the point minus 2, 3 and its slope is 1, right? So what will be the equation of the straight line? So apply all the values in this. Y minus y1. What is y1? What is y1 students? बेटा देखिए ये x1 हो गया. This point is x1 y1 ना. So what is y1? Slope is 1. X minus minus 2. Right? So this equation becomes, or you can write this equation as y is equal to x plus 2 plus 3. So y equal to x plus 5. Is it clear? Is this clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, I'll tell you one more thing. Now, this is the equation y is equal to x plus 5. Now, if this equation is given to you, can you find the slope of this line? Now, equation is given this. You have to find the slope of the line. Just compare this with this equation. Right? Is this clear? So, compare the equation. What is the coefficient of x? So, what will be the slope here, students? Compare किया है यहाँ पे आपने. So, m comes out to be. Why you are not answering the question, बच्चे? Are you understanding it or not? और अगर कोई doubt है तो please ask the questions. I can understand this question is bit tricky in the beginning. So please ask the questions. If you are not understood any of the thing, my humble request to all of you, please ask the questions. Right? ठीक है जी? So tell me what will be the slope of the line? 1. What will be the y-intercept? 5. Right? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now my question is, find the equation of a line whose slope is -2 and x-intercept is 4. You have to find the equation of the line whose slope is -2 and x-intercept is 4. How to do this? Apply some logic here, बच्चों. Read each and every word carefully. Find the equation of a line whose slope is -2 and x-intercept is 4. हाँ जी बेटा बताइए, आ जाइए. Please come forward.
2x plus y is equal to 8.
2x plus y
Is equal to 8.
equal to a.
Yes.
8. 2x plus y equal to 8. How you have done, beta? Please.
Y is equal to m bracket x minus c.
Y is equal to mx plus c. What was the value of m? -2. And what is the value of c? What is the value of c?
We use the formula y is equal to m bracket x minus b.
X minus c.
Yes.
Okay. See, students, the best way to do this is when you know the x-intercept. What is the meaning of x-intercept? It is a point lying on the x-axis. This point is 4, 0. Yes or no? So now this is the point and slope is given to you -2. Is it clear? So apply the formula, that is second one. What is the second one? Slope point form. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus 0 is y equal to minus 2x plus 8. So she has told this equation, then we have got the same equation. Right? Is it clear? Any doubt? Right. So we move to the next question or next concept. Second is slope intercept form, slope point form, and the third is point form. 2-point form. No problem, beta. Any doubt, please let me know. If you have doubt, what she has told, I'll explain you that also. She has told this thing, right? See, whenever you have been given x-intercept, you can directly apply this formula, students. Here C is the x-intercept. If you have doubt, to make it easier for you, I have done by that method. She has done a direct method that you can use once you are familiar with the concept. So she has used this concept. Why she has used this concept? Here x represent the x coordinate, x intercept, and here y minus 0 was there. So ultimately that becomes y. Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right. So now we comes to the third form, that is 2-point form. When we have taken the slope intercept form, what was that? This was the slope intercept form. Sorry, slope point form. Yes. Now we have been given the 2-point form, means we have been given 2 points through which line is passing. Right? We have been given 2 points through which line is passing. Here M is not given. By the using these 2 points, can we find out M? What will be M? Y2 minus Y1 upon X2 minus X1. Yes. Put this value of M in this equation. So what this equation becomes? So this equation is the 2-point form. Right? This equation is 2-point form. Please note down this. Right, students? Shall we move to the next concept? Now, next concept is, students, fourth type of equation is that is known as intercept form. Now, what is intercept form? Suppose it is given, you have to find the equation of the line whose x and y intercepts are given. Let's say x intercept is a comma 0 and y intercept is 0 comma b. So then in that case, the equation of the line is, this is the equation of the line, students. Right? X upon A plus Y upon B is equal to 1. Right? Any doubt? Any doubt, students? Right. So now we'll do some questions on the basis of this concept. Now it is given the equation of the straight line is 3x minus 4y plus 10 equal to 0. Find its slope and x and y intercept. These three things you have to find. Right? You have to find the slope and x and y intercept. So now what you will do to find out the slope? Right? First of all, convert this equation into y is equal to mx plus c form. You have to convert this equation in plus y equal to mx plus c. Take 4y on that side. So what you got? Is this clear? What will be y? Any doubt, students? Any doubt? What will be slope now? What is slope? Compare this with y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. What will be m? x का कोफिशिएंट क्या है यहाँ पे? 3/4. What is c? That is y-intercept. What is y-intercept? What is y-intercept? Beta, this constant term is y-intercept. Now you have to find out x-intercept. How to find out x-intercept? Yes, who will tell me? How to find out x-intercept? There are two ways to do this. One is put in this equation y equal to 0. When you are finding the x-intercept, that means y coordinate is 0. Make y equal to 0 and find the value of x. Now tell me, what is the value of x? Yes. What is the value of x? That will be your x-intercept. Put y equal to 0 in your equation. इतनी देर लग रही है बच्चों? 3x minus 0 plus 10 equal to 0. So 3x equal to minus 10. X equal to minus 10 by 3. Yes or no? Any doubt, बच्चों? Right. Please note down. Please note down, students. Another way, let's say we have this equation. Now convert this into y equal to mx plus c form. Can we write like this? Please look at the board, students. Please look at the board. Nobody will glue to the book, notebook. So from here, what is y? Is it clear? So now, when you have been given the equation straight away, what is the slope of the line? Minus a upon b. What is the y-intercept? Y-intercept is minus c upon b. Please note down these two things. Straight away, अगर आपको equation given है, students, just take the ratio of negative of a to the b, right? What is a? Slope is equal to minus x coefficient upon y coefficient, right? Coefficient of the x upon coefficient of the y. Is it clear? Any doubt, bacho? Whenever you have to find the x-intercept or y-intercept, when you have to find x-intercept, put y equal to 0. When you have to find y-intercept, put x equal to 0. Is it clear? Now look at the next question, students. Yes. Find the equation of a line which make an intercept of x-intercept is minus 3 and y-intercept is 2. Find the equation of the line. We have done this intercept form x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Put the value of a and b. You will get the equation of the straight line. Now simplify this equation. Minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. So that will be the equation of the straight line. 2x minus 3y plus 6 equal to 0. Right, bacho? Is it clear? So that will be the equation of the straight line. Any doubt? चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं बच्चों. Find the equation of a straight line. लिखिए जरा. Find the equation of a straight line. Find the equation of a straight line perpendicular to the line x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0 and passing through the point 1 comma minus 2. Right, students? You have to find the equation of a straight line which is perpendicular to a given line. What is a given line? X minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0 and it passes through the point 1 comma minus 2. Students, जब भी इस तरह का क्वेश्चन आना है तो please draw the diagram. Let's say this given line is this. This line is x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. You have to find a line which is perpendicular to this line. Let's say this is perpendicular, right? So you have to find the equation of this line. This line passes through a point 1 comma minus 2. Is it clear? How to find out this? Can anybody tell me? Please raise your hand if one of you can tell me. If any of you can explain me how to find this equation. See, student, what we have to do. Can we find out the slope of this line? Yes or no? Please raise your hand if yes. Can we find out the slope of the given line? X minus 2y plus 3? Please tell me what is the slope of this line. हाँ जी बेटा, आप अभी फार्मूला बताया ना मैंने, माइनस ए बाय बी. व्हाट इज द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स? व्हाट इज द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स इन दिस इक्वेशन? 1. What is the coefficient of B? -2. So what is the slope of the given line? 1/2. Now we know that the equation, if two lines are perpendicular, the product of their slope is equal to -1. Have we done this condition or not? From the slope of this line, we can find out the slope of this line, right? So what will be the slope of the line to be find out? 1/2 into m2 equal to -1, and m2 will be equal to -2. So the slope of the line which we are supposed to find out is -2, right, bacho? So what is the slope of the what is the point given? 1, -2. Now slope is -2, point given is, so apply this form. Apply this form and find the equation of the straight line. Please put the value of m and x1, y1 so that we can find out the value of the equation of the straight line. Yes, बच्चों. देखिए बेटा, पुट कर दो जल्दी से पॉइंट्स. y minus -2 equal to m into x minus 1. सॉल्व किया बच्चों इसको. -2x plus 2. So 2 से 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा दोनों तरफ. So this equation will be y equal to 2x. Right? आ रही है इक्वेशन बच्चों? Right? Any doubt? Minus 2x. This is minus. Right? Now, whenever you have any equation, देखिए बच्चे, अगर आपके पास इक्वेशन है y equal to minus mx, so student, this equation, when you have constant term as 0, this equation always passes through the origin, right? If you have to find any equation that is passing through the origin, or you have to check, so उसकी जो constant term होती है बच्चे always 0 होती है. Is it clear? Is it clear or not? तो आज बच्चों हम यहीं पे फिनिश करेंगे. So thank you very much for joining. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you, sir.